morning, ma'am. May I talk to you for a moment?
Of course.
I want to say thank you for the experience here. At the moment, I need to resign because I have to focus more on my family.
I understand.
I will stay during notice period, finish my responsibilities, and prepare a proper handover.
Thank you for being responsible.
Thank you for support and understanding.
Kita bicarakan besok